In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your age or date of birth on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok application and then go to your profile. Date of birth is specified when registering an account, and there is no way to change it in the application. The only way to change your age is to write to technical support. To do that, tap at three lines and then tap at settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and tap at report a problem. Then tap at account and profile, editing profile, and then other. Scroll down a bit and tap at need more help. On that step, you need to create a support ticket, so just describe your problem. You may write down it, like in my case, I'm just entered that when registering I entered the wrong birthday. Please change it to, and then you can enter day, month and year. Keep in mind that they may ask you to provide a proof about your real birthday, so you can just take a picture of your ID, and then right from here you will be able to attach it to that support ticket. After that, just tap at submit to send it. Then you'll just need to wait for a while for your report to be processed. However, if you don't want to bother with it and you need to just change your age on TikTok quickly, there is another way how we can do so, is just to create new TikTok account. To do that, from your profile page, tap right here, then tap at add account, then choose the way to sign up, and once you go through all of that process, your new account will be added right here in that list, because TikTok application allows us to use multiple accounts at the same time, and right from here we can easily switch between them. Now you know how you can easily change your age on TikTok.